How to file a tax extension in TurboTax. So first you're going to go to TurboTax website and sign into your account. Then you want to click on Tools. You should expand Tax Tools here and click on Tools. Then click on Topic Search. Now you will need to type extension in the search bar here. And then you should choose extension and press Go. And this should give you an extension until 15 October. So you can click on Start Easy Extension and then click on Continue. And then answer these questions and press Continue again. And it should tell you whether you can get an extension or if it's too late. And if you can, you would usually choose the Form 4868, which is an automatic extension of time to file. And then you will need to enter your estimated tax information if you owe taxes, and review your details carefully and then submit electronically using the tool. Or you can print it and mail it if the e-filing is not working or is not available for you. And just remember that the extension gives you more time to file, but no more time to pay. So you should make your payment immediately. And if you owe taxes, always try to pay an estimate to avoid penalties. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.